I am an intern, and I work at a marketing company in my city. I help the team with different tasks every day, such as organizing documents, preparing presentations, and answering emails. I chose this internship because I want to gain experience and learn more about the business world. My workday usually starts at 9 a.m. I commute to work by bus. It takes about 30 minutes to get to the office. During the commute, I sometimes listen to music or read messages on my phone. When I arrive, I greet my colleagues and turn on my computer. The office is modern and bright. There are desks, computers, meeting rooms, and a small kitchen area. I share a desk area with 2 colleagues. One of them is very friendly and always willing to help me when I have questions. The other is more serious but very organized and professional. In the morning, I usually check my emails and review my tasks for the day. My supervisor gives me instructions and explains what I need to do. Sometimes I help prepare reports or update information in the company system. At noon, we have a lunch break. I usually eat in the kitchen area with my colleagues. We talk about work, weekend plans, or interesting news. The lunch break helps me relax and recharge before the afternoon. In the afternoon, I often attend meetings with my team. During meetings, we discuss projects, share ideas, and solve problems. I usually listen carefully and take notes. Sometimes my boss asks for my opinion, which makes me feel confident and included. My boss is supportive but expects responsibility and good organization. He gives feedback on my work and helps me improve. I am learning to manage my time better and communicate more professionally. At the end of the day, I organize my desk and review what I completed. Even when I feel tired, I am proud of my progress. Being an intern can be challenging, but it is a great opportunity to learn and grow.